Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by saving the Untitled Workspace immediately. This is the single required action. Open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P, then type and select Workspaces. Save Workspace as. Once done, navigate to a folder you want the workspace file kept in, give it a clear name, and ensure the file name ends with Code Workspace. This creates a persistent workspace file that VS Code will open instead of the ephemeral untitled state, so make sure to pick an organized location. Once the Code Workspace file exists, open it to adjust the workspace definition and understand why it behaves differently. The file is JSON. Folders list project roots, settings override user or folder settings, and recommended extensions can pin extensions for collaborators. Make edits to add or remove folder paths, change relative paths for portability, and save the file. After saving, reopen that Code Workspace to confirm your layout. This precise file is what converts an untitled workspace into a repeatable, shareable workspace. To finish, close the untitled session and reopen using the Code Workspace file you created, double-click it, or use File Open Workspace to return. You can commit or share that single file with teammates to replicate folders, settings, and recommended extensions. If something goes wrong, make sure the JSON is valid and folder paths are correct. Relative paths must point to existing directories. If VS Code warns, open the workspace file, correct any path or syntax errors, save, then reopen to resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.